In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Webhook Secret in Stripe. First, open the Stripe dashboard and make sure you are working in the correct mode. Stripe has two modes, Test and Live. You'll usually see a clear toggle or a label in the interface indicating which one you are in. This matters because the Webhook secret is different for each mode, and using a test secret in a live environment or vice versa will cause signature verification to fail. So, take a moment to confirm you are exactly where you intend to be before moving on. Next, head to the Webhook section. To do that, click Developers in the Stripe dashboard. Depending on your layout or screen size, you may find Developers at the top right or in the left sidebar near the bottom. Inside Developers, select Webhooks. This is where Stripe lists all the endpoints that receive webhook events for your account or for specific products. Now, choose the endpoint you want the secret for. You'll see a list of endpoint URLs. Click the specific endpoint URL associated with the app or service you are integrating. Selecting the right endpoint is important because each endpoint has its own signing secret. If your app listens on multiple URLs, be sure you are opening the exact one used by your code. Once you are on the Endpoints Detail page, look for the Signing Secret section. In the top right area of that section, you'll see an option labeled Click to Reveal. Click that and Stripe will display the webhook signing secret that begins with WSEC. This value is what your server uses to verify that incoming webhook requests genuinely came from Stripe and haven't been tampered with in transit. Finally, copy the WSEC key and store it safely. Treat it like a password. Do not share it publicly and avoid pasting it into screenshots, tickets, or code samples. Keep it in a secure location such as an environment variable, a secrets manager, or a locked configuration store. If you work across test and live, label them clearly so they don't get mixed up. And if you ever believe the secret has been exposed, rotate it promptly in Stripe and update your server to use the new value. That's it. You've confirmed your mode, navigated to developers and webhooks, opened the correct endpoint, revealed the signing secret, and securely saved it for your integration. Thanks for watching.